Hello everyone. So today let me show you a very simple but definitely useful thing that you can do with Emacs. Now let us say you are using Emacs maybe in your office setup, or maybe you are basically working. Let us say you're working without an internet. I mean, there could be any a number of reasons, but we all know that in Emacs you have the option to install different plugins, and these plugins will do a lot of wonderful things. You can probably enhance your experience. Those plugins could provide multiple modes, but there are some really important or key or core plugins that are already there for you. So you just need to know about those plugins. So today let me show you that you can also use Emacs to display your JSON file nicely without using any additional plugin. Now let us say this is one JSON that we have here. It is right now, of course, displayed using this I guess I'm sure I'm using some plugin like a pretty-print plugin, JSON pretty something, I don't know, but it may not always happen. You may have, let us say, something like this, like not very nice looking JSON here. And if I go to my, let us say, Emacs, and if I paste it, it will of course be nothing but this huge chunk of characters, and it is of course not readable at all, right? You need something readable. Now there is one mode which is going to basically enhance this, or basically display it nicely. So if you search for json-pretty-print, it will basically change this to a nicely formatted JSON file. I don't know what happened. Okay, json-pretty-print. Come on, no, it is not working. Come on, let us let me just try it again. Okay, let me paste it. All right, and json-pretty-print. Okay, now it is working. I don't know what happened. I'm sure I did something wrong. So this is of course much better because I copied it from this particular browser output, and it is in RAW, and we are able to of course display it nicely. Again, not a huge thing. Most likely you will have a better plugin to do it, but it happened to me that once I was working in a very tight, I mean, I was able to install Emacs, but not those plugins because I was not really able to reach Melpa. I mean, I was not even able to download anything from external. I mean, I know you can always download the EL file if you have access to internet, but it may not always be the case. All right, yeah, that is it. Simple thing, right? And sometimes it can be a lifesaver when you're able to look at your JSON file nicely. All right, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about today in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.